Meaning of hectometer.
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 Hectometer. A hectometer is a unit of measurement in the metric system that represents 100 meters or 1/10 of a kilometer. It is commonly used to measure distances on roads, railways, and other straight courses. Hectometers are often marked on distance signs, especially in countries that use the metric system. For example, a sign marked 1 hm indicates a distance of 1 hectometer, or 100 meters. Hectometers provide a convenient and easy-to-use way to measure distances and are widely used by professionals and everyday people alike.